you're bad. I love you when you misbehave on me. Have you got a man? No, no. If you don't, you can play me. One time for them bad girl. Bumper go.
I like this. Yeah. Oh Lord, that Christmas. I can get you knocked for 100 bands. Did a trap.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nzinga Saran. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on, okay? So this is the look that I did for you guys today. I did my face as well as my hair. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, you already know the drill. I did my brows off camera, and now I'm gonna prime my face. If you want to see how I did my brows, I have a brow video and I will link it down in the description box. And again, this is the baby skin, Maybelline baby skin instant pore eraser. That is the primer that I'm using today.
Now you be the only one I see.
And I'm going to use the Fit Me Matte Poreless 334 Warm Sun.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy?
Okay guys, now that we have that all blended, I'm gonna go in with my LA Grey Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, see me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me feel my wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me your say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for
Thing about makeup is during the process it looks so crazy, but once you're finished, like you're blending properly, it's gonna all like come together. You really gotta trust the process when you're doing makeup. Just the processes.
let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
I'm gonna go in with just a small amount of my Infallible L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Pecan. Just a little like extra highlight.
Say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see.
Okay guys, so now that I have blended the concealer, I'm just gonna go in with the same brush that I use for my foundation, and I'm just gonna blend like the edges of the concealer, just to kind of define the harsh lines.
Man a wine say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind say she give me dirty wine. Say girls them a wine in every grinding I don't think so.
I'm gonna go in with my setting powder from Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder in the shade deep, medium deep.
Wine say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine. Say she give me film wine. Man a wine say she give me for me. Y'all say enter the radar.
Now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, and I'm gonna bake it.
On for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take my True Complexion Contour palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm gonna use Sculpt right here from this palette to just set the remainder of my face.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me I wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it.
Then I'm gonna go in with the contour shade right here, and I'm just gonna use that to contour my face.
Say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that.
And go back in again with my setting powder. I'm gonna cut right here, just to sharpen up the contour.
The only special one for me.
Now that the powder is sitting, I'm gonna go in and do my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna do something like really simple. I'm gonna use, first I'm gonna go in with Nzinga. This one, the yellow right here.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say girls them a wine in every grinding I don't think so. Any man them me looking at the think so. Girl your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine.
Okay, so that's what it's looking like, and then I'm gonna go in with the pink, which is Fenty. This one right here.
Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you.
I'm gonna do my lashes off camera, and then I'm gonna come back. Okay guys, so I am back, and honestly I think that after Miss Rona pass, I'm going to try Fusion lashes, because girl, I've been off camera doing these lashes for about 30 minutes. No cap. I can't, like, these strip lashes are not for me. Like, me tired of it. Over it. I'm just gonna dust away this extra setting powder.
Nigga, who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place.
I'm gonna go in with green Masai right here. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. I'm going with that green underneath my waterline.
Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya.
I'm gonna set my face with. Now, first I'm gonna use the pepper prime.
Let me grinding at the think so. Any man, let me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so.
Okay, guys, so now I'm just gonna go in with my highlighter and I'm gonna put it over, like, what is off my brow bone here, right here.
Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one.
Now I'm gonna go in and apply my highlight.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna line my lips with my pencil.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's VQ.
I'm gonna use Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream Brown. I'm gonna use that to line instead.
Yeah, come in me, I wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga.
I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick. This is in the shade Marvelous.
Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up.
So this is what we look like now. I'm just gonna go in with my mascara on my bottom lashes. Guys, I really want to try some new products. I want to try a new foundation. And also, I need a new mascara. So if there is any like makeup products like foundation or mascara that you guys use, please comment down below and put your girl onto it, because I need to try new stuff. Okay guys, so this is what we are looking like. And now I'm gonna move on to my hair. Okay guys, so just bring the head and apply it to my head. And the wig that we're working with today is a 5x5 closure wig that I made. And I'm gonna show you guys how to apply this, like super quick. All I did was put it on, that's all.
Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.
When you're doing a closure, to cut these little side tabs. I should probably cut this off camera.
It's sipping on my liquor. Girls, them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look, what we are working with. Okay, if you did like this video, don't forget to give me a thumb up and also to share your thoughts down below in the comment section, because I really want to know what you guys think about this video, what you think about how I did my makeup. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them as well in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, later.
And the socks and the feet, probably even more so. Never send no shots to me, cause I'm doing 10 toes. I'ma send a couple shots to